This is for Year 12 Special. It comes out of 6 Gs, question number 1G. So I've got y equals this cubic divided by this linear. So since it is a irrational function, that is, or an improper function, that is that I've got a cubic divided by linear, so I'm just going to rewrite this as 4x cubed on x minus 8 on x, which gives me 4x squared minus 8 on x. Okay, for the x-intercept, you let y equals 0. 0 equals 4x cubed minus 8 all over x. 0 equals, take the 4 out, x cubed minus 2. Therefore, x cubed minus 2 equals 0. X cubed equals 2. X equals the cube root of 2. So there's my x-intercept. To find the y-intercept, make x equal to 0, and that gives me a division by 0, so that's not possible, so there is no y-intercept. And to find the asymptotes. So, I can't make x 0, therefore I've got an asymptote at x equals 0. If x goes to infinity, then minus 8 on x will go to 0, but it will be negative. Therefore, y equals 4x squared is an asymptote, and the curve is going to be below it. As x goes to negative infinity, negative 8 on x will go to 0, but it will be positive. Therefore, the asymptote will be y equals 4x squared will be the asymptote, but the curve will be above it. Okay, so I've got 4x squared plus negative 8 on x. So I would expect that as this goes to infinity, the curve is going to approach that, and we end up with a curve that looks like this, and I know that that is 2 to the power of 1/3, and as x approaches negative infinity, it's going to be above, so we end up with a curve that looks like this. Adding these two together, and I need to find the coordinate of the turning point. So I need to take the derivative. So I've got 4x cubed minus 8 on top of x, where I've got 4x squared minus 8, x to the negative 1. So I'm going to take the derivative of that, gives me 8x plus 8 on x squared. If I make that equal to 0, I've got 0 equals 8x cubed plus 8 on top of x squared, which means 8x cubed plus 8 equals 0, x cubed equals negative 1, x equals negative 1. And if I go back to my original equation, if I put in negative 1, I'll have negative 4 minus 8 divided by negative 1, which is negative 12 on negative 1, which is 12. So that there is negative 1 and 12. And that there is 0, and I have asymptotes at x equals 0 and y equals 4x squared. And that's the graph drawn.